In today's video, we are going to be comparing 3 different oil pastel crayons to compare blendability. The first brand we're going to try is Sennelier. These oil pastels are really creamy, soft, and they have a lot of pigment in them. They also go on the paper really nicely. The next brand of oil pastel is Pentel. These oil pastels go on really smoothly. They also have a lot of pigment, which gets distributed evenly. Our next oil pastel is Holbein. They go on really nicely, like they glide across the paper. They have a lot of pigment, which is a little bit more sheer than the first two. And I definitely like the way they feel. So, what do I think? Let's rate them from 1 to 3, 1 being the best. Now the Sennelier goes on perfectly. It is soft and creamy, just like butter. And it blends exceptionally well. In my opinion, this is my #1 favorite. I do believe that it is the best of any of the oil pastel crayons I have ever used. Now next up, we have the Holbein. They blend on the paper so smoothly and so well. They are beautiful. But trying to blend them with your finger, not really having the best of luck. They just don't seem to blend smoothly, but take the crayons and put them together, and they blend together just perfectly. Now we have the Pentel. This is my third favorite. They have great pigment, they go on well, they blend together next to each other really nicely. But when you try to blend them with your fingers, you will see it doesn't go so well. The colors separate and just smudge, and they don't blend. It's a mess.